Hello. I'm very fortunate to live in an area where they used horses a lot in the 18th, 19th century, and as a consequence I find buckles, horse buckles and paraphernalia like other people find ring pulls. My fields are littered with them and I'm not complaining. So every so often I like to have a look, just to remind myself of what's going on. Nice sort of square types. Get a lot of these. They're from cart horses, as are these. Nice big buckles. Don't really need a dais to get these. You can get these with a pointed stick. They give terrific signals. Coming down through ones with bars across the centre, silver plated, obviously gentry was having a go at them. What we got over here, we got sort of army webbing. I reckon these are World War II off army webbing. Here we've got a patented Dalton's suppliers, and they were straps for fastening down bales and things. The variety, it's quite astonishing. I'm no expert on buckles, I just happen to find a lot. This one amused me. It came with the tongue in it, look, and it had this ball on, and others have found like this, and I thought they were just rusted away iron. But for some peculiar reason, these buckles have a large knobble on the end, which presumably goes through a hole in the harness and then clicks down into a little slot. But you don't normally get them with the complete. Usually they're just the brass part. Tiny buckles, I mean, oh my goodness. These are, well, I don't know what they're off. As you go through. Buckles, buckles, buckles. If you see one that you've got yourself on here, just make a note of how far through the video we are, and let me know, and we can have a chat about that particular buckle. These here, I presume, these are dog collars. They could be belt buckles, human. Here we've got definitely human. These are garter buckles for fastening garters. We're talking Georgian here, if not earlier. Some quite very delicate though. That's the problem. Got these little spikes on that go through your your clothing to hold them up. Could be quite dangerous. Look at that. This tiny little one. You can only clean them so much or they start disintegrating. Now there's a weird and wonderful. Look at that. You don't see them every day. Let's carry on through the horse buckles. Got loads of horse brasses, but I'll do those in a separate video. Right down to bits you get to recognise. Oh, that's a bit of one of these. Human buckles. Right. Usually they're thin, and I'm not sure if these are off hats, for hats, but they're thin and they get bashed around and, well, I don't know. See that's very nice on there, but I've stuck it on a bit of sellotape because it's that fragile it will just fall apart. Lots of them, they were designed to be in the ground for hundreds of years. So these, well, very light. If you get light ones, they're probably hat buckles. Right, on to things like these. Shoe buckles, possibly belt, but I think shoe buckles. Really fancy effort here, part of one. I thought that was a picture frame at one time, but no, it's part of a buckle. Oh, this, what? I think it's 17th century Georgian shoe buckle. I thought it was a bottle opener. But no, it is actually 17th century and a shoe buckle. Wonderful. Same as this. That one, I should say. Looks like any other buckle. No, it isn't. This is 17th century as well. About 1650. It's a spur buckle for keeping a rider's spurs on. This one I got up in the Dales, and I just found a George II penny, very nice. And then on the scree, this had the thing straight across, but fell apart, didn't it? Very delicate. Again, this one in terrific condition. I got this on limestone scree up in the Dales, and it's survived. The patina's beautiful. Again, it's early Georgian, but it looks almost new. Then we got other kinds of, these are all human, as I call them, for humans. Last things, they're sash buckles. Here, get it the right way around. This is a ship that traversed the Atlantic Ocean laying cables. You got a lot of sash buckles. They just don't stand up to the job though, they fall apart because they're very thin, stamped. Now this is, forgotten, Band of Hope. It was people who got together early Victorian against drink, because drink and early Victorian men didn't get on together. That's the part that clicks into it. This is part of a buckle. There, look, see the lady looks to be Art Nouveau. Again, unfortunately, they don't come in one piece. This, I believe, is an American military sash buckle, similarly, and you get bits and pieces. Oh, look at the old cricket. Obviously with a cricket club. And I got this one quite recently, just the part of it, with the snakes entwining. So, got that in the lead seals among the Russian seals. Funny enough, by a lead seal that had a caduceus on the back, which is the snakes that wind round the staff of Hermes. And then, of course, what we got there? Nice lion buckle. For some reason, they always have the ring in the mouth. Just keep finding them. Just keep hoarding them. And then you're looking through someone else's videos and you think, hang on a minute, I've got one of them. I didn't know it was that. But I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's been useful. If you see anything you recognise, let me know. As I said, I'm not an expert. People just say, hey, that's this. I think, hey, thank you very much. So, you take care. Until this weather improves and I can get out. Until I see you next time.